Hello everybody. So I'm going to walk you through this worksheet, the Egg Card Challenge Design Process Worksheet. Ooh, gotta come up with a better name here. Anyways, first step is again, you're going to assign your groups. You're going to choose them yourselves. You can work by yourself. You can lone wolf it. You can pick a partner, or you can do a small group. Again, small group's not my favorite, but if you work well, it can work. Anyways, only one worksheet per team is needed. So the first step again is identifying the problem. Write your problem statement. This is extremely important, right? If you can't define the problem, well, how will you know, of course, you've solved it? So my advice, again, be specific. Ooh, interesting. Anyways, I'm going to walk you through the steps here. It seems to be this paintbrush tool isn't working like I thought it would. Anyway, being specific is really important for the problem statement. What are you trying to accomplish? Anyways, for the brainstorm, right, you need at least 5 different ideas here. And I'm using my imaginary paintbrush here to draw a imaginary car. Sadly, again, the paintbrush tool isn't working, but you can imagine I'm drawing a car. Right, so anyways, I'm just drawing a car, just a rough sketch, okay? Not going too crazy here. Now, I know you need 2 different ideas. You probably have one good one. Think of another good one. Again, be creative, push yourself a little bit. Got it? Alright, the next one here is going to be research. How are you going to gather more research about your problem? Well, this one should be pretty clear, pretty easy, right? Again, really think, really be creative. It should be easy. Anyways, this one's a little trickier, right? So, constraints and criteria. We talked about this a little bit, but essentially constraint is a limitation, right? So what limits you in this project, right? There's a whole sheet of them. If you need to get it, the sheets are up front. Next, criteria. Criteria, I think, is best figured out as what equals a success, right? What needs to happen in order to succeed. Be specific. I know this one is a little bit harder, right? But again, think of what needs to happen in order to win. Alright. Sorry, success. It needs to be perfect. Anyways. Choosing your best idea. So this one is going to take you the most amount of time. Again, read through it. What design have you chosen from the brainstorming session? Draw out your final designs. Where's your cushion? Again, this drawing should be pretty accurate and pretty good. Now, once again, I use this paintbrush tool, and I don't think it's going to work. Let's see. Please work. Anyways, 3-view drawing. You've got your front, your right side, and your top views. For your right side, I'm drawing an imaginary car. It looks like a boot, right? Anyways, what does your car look like from the right side? If it's a square, a triangle, I don't know. But I want you to draw it out here. Okay? Please, this space is to help you. If you don't have a good drawing here, your team is not going to know what to do when it comes time to build. Now notice in my imaginary drawing on the right side, I put springs in the front of my car. Make sure you put that under the materials you need from home. The front view, again, I'm just drawing what my boot car looks like, right? So again, I'm drawing this kind of square outline. You could see that I'm drawing it out here. Yep, beautiful drawing. And yep, adding some wheels, adding some cushion, etc. Right? Again, adding detail. Take some time here. Do a good drawing. I can't tell you how frustrating it is that you can't see this ink. Now, your 2 drawings should be about the same size. What I mean by that, if the front of your car is really big and then your right side view is really small, it looks kind of bizarre. So again, please keep that in mind. Yep, so again, just make sure it's about the same size. Now from the top view, again, if a bird was to fly over your car, what would it look like? Right? Again, use your power of imagination, visualize it. So again, I'm drawing it out just like you'd see it from the top. And let's say whatever it is, yada yada yada. I'll add my springs up front. Whatever your car looks like, right? There's my little springies. Beautiful. Alright, the next big thing is you now need to add some details. Again, do I have cotton balls inside this car? Maybe from the top view you see the door, right? Maybe I'll drive my cotton balls in here. Where does the egg sit? Dimension it, right? You've got to think of the height, the width, the length, all those dimensions, right? So please, please, please be specific here. More time you spend drawing, the more time, again, you're going to be able to be cutting wood successfully with your group. And you're not going to have these silly mistakes of, again, Timmy's thinking that the width is 7 while you think it's 6. That's going to cause a problem. So again, be specific. Think of the materials you're going to be using, etc. Alright, thanks, good luck. I wish, of course, I could be here, but I'm picking up my sailboat. Woo, woo, woo. Anyways, yeah, take your time, and I will see you all on Friday. Please complete these accurately and to the best of your ability. Thank you.